Hi guys, Mama Beach here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do a really quick unboxing video from Coach. I just picked up this bag. So many people are talking about it. I have seen it everywhere on the Coach collector groups. It's from the Coach retail store. It is one of the newer styles they just came out with in a stunning color I haven't really seen from them before, so I'm very excited to show it to you guys. So it came in this box, and all I've done is undo the tape for you. Here is the normal Coach packaging we're used to seeing from them. And then inside, I actually have put some tissue paper in here, which is nice. Here is the bag I picked up. And of course, it always comes with the receipt and the little thank you card from Coach. So let me just show you what is in here. I have picked up the Lori shoulder bag, and this is just in this stunning like burnt orange color. Oh gosh, the name is escaping me. Canyon. They're calling it Canyon. And Lori is spelled L-O-R-I. So if you want to go look this up on Coach's website, that's how you spell it. It's basically the same style we've seen from Coach for many, many years now. I had it first in their outlet version. I had the Phoebe, but that was based on the Edie shoulder bag, which is right there. And they've had several other versions of this bag since, where you have this triple compartment design with the zip compartment in the center and then the two open side compartments. It's a really smart design, and it's no wonder they keep bringing it back again and again with slightly different details and slightly different shapes. So I'm excited to take all of this ugly wrapping off and actually come back with a review video on this guy, because I know so many people are picking it up, particularly in this color, because it is just such an unusual choice for them. You do not see a lot of orange from Coach, and it's not like a scary orange. It's definitely a burnt orange, a deeper, more neutral orange, very fall friendly. But honestly, I would carry this color all year round just because it is so neutral. So stay tuned. I will definitely be back with a full review on this bag. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below and I will try to answer them for you. I will also, this video will be up first, but if you're watching this video like weeks from now, I will link the review video I end up doing about this in the description box once I end up making it and posting it. That's it for this little unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you've not subscribed, as always, I hope that you will, so that you can come back and join me for my future videos. I talk about Coach a lot on my channel, but I also talk about all different handbag and accessory brands. So if you love designer goods, I hope you'll subscribe and join me for my future videos. All right, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.